Hi, welcome back to Bride Society. In today's video we're showing you how to make this bride-to-be hen party badge out of just a few simple materials. So to create our bride-to-be badge, we've got this cardboard heart, which is actually a hanging decoration. But the first thing we're going to do is just chop off the thread, and then we can use it for our badge. Now, why we've chosen this is because it's very lightweight. So when we add the decorations and the pin on the back, it won't be too heavy to pin onto an outfit that the hen is wearing on her hen party. Now, we don't want this brown colour for our badge, so we're going to paint it white with this acrylic paint, but you can obviously paint it whatever colour you want to match the theme of the hen party. Don't forget to paint the sides as well, and the back if that's what you want to do. You obviously won't see the back, but just if you want to give it a coat all over. So the heart has now all been painted, both sides, so we're now ready to decorate. Now obviously you can do whatever you want to decorate your badge. We're going to put the word bride on there. I'm going to use these letter stamps. And rather than just using a normal ink pad, we're going to use this clear ink pad with some silver embossing powder. Now this will just give it a bit of shine and a bit of texture to the badge, but you can obviously just do whatever you want and fit the colours to your colour scheme. So one tip we would give is, if you find the letter that's going to be the middle of your word, start with that one so you can centralise it. Now there won't be a lot to see on this while I'm stamping it because it's clear ink essentially, it's clear glue, but in a moment you'll see what we've done. Now here's where I'd recommend getting a scrap piece of paper or something just to put under so you can catch the embossing powder or the excess. It's a bit like glitter, and just pour it over. And gently tap it off. Now if you have any excess bits of embossing powder, you can just take a paintbrush and carefully brush that away so you're left with the letters that you want. Now, once you've got it how you want it, this is where the magic happens. So if you move your excess loose powder out the way, you can pop that back in your pot. And we're going to take a heat gun and very carefully just put some heat over where the embossing powder is now sitting. And it goes from a powder to molten silver, and now that's stuck on the heart, so that won't go anywhere. The final decoration we're going to put on the front of the badge is this fabric trim, and we're just going to use a hot glue gun to attach this all the way around the edge of the heart, just to finish that off. And then that's the front done for us, and then we can just put the badge clip on the back ready to wear. is the front of our badge made, and now we're just going to flip it over and add our badge pin. These pins were just from the children's craft section in Hobbycraft, and they're great because you just peel off the back, it's double-sided sticky tape, and then you can just place it on and you're ready to wear.